Hello students, today I am going to explain Morgan's experiment showing linkage and recombination. Thomas Hunt Morgan was an American biologist. He used fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster in genetic research and established the chromosomal theory of heredity. He also discovered the principle of linkage, sex linkage and crossing over. Morgan's work played key role in the field of genetics. He was awarded a Nobel Prize in 1933 in physiology and medicine. Morgan's experiment showing linkage and crossing over is that Morgan used Drosophila melanogaster for the experiment because Drosophila can easily be cultured in laboratory. Its lifespan is short, about 2 weeks. Moreover, it has high rate of reproduction. Morgan carried out several dihybrid cross experiments in fruit fly to study genes that are sex-linked. The crosses were similar to dihybrid crosses as carried out by Mendel in pea. For example, Morgan and his group crossed yellow-bodied white-eyed female to the wild type with brown-bodied and red-eyed male and intercrossed their F1 progeny. He observed that two genes did not segregate independently of each other and F2 ratio deviated very significantly from 9:3:3:1 ratio. Morgan and his group knew that the genes were located on X chromosomes and stated that when two genes in a dihybrid cross are situated on the same chromosome, then the proportion of parental combination is much higher than non-parental combination. This occurs due to physical association or linkage of the two genes. He also found that when genes are grouped on the same chromosome, some genes are strongly linked. They show very few recombination, that is 1.3%, when genes are loosely linked, that is present far away from each other on chromosome, such as white and miniature, showing in the figure. On chromosome, they loosely linked parents far away from each other on chromosome, they show more higher recombinations, that is 37.2%. For example, the genes for yellow body and white eye were strongly linked and showed only 1.3% recombination in cross 1. White bodied and miniature wing shows 37.2% recombination in cross 2. Cross 1 shows crossing over between genes Y and W. Cross 2 shows crossing over between genes white W and miniature wing M. Here dominant wild type alleles are represented with plus sign. According to Morgan, in Drosophila, genes for eye color is linked to the sex of the fly, that is gene located on a sex chromosome. Drosophila shows 4 pairs of chromosomes. First pair is sex chromosome, that is XX in male, female and XY in male. Remaining 3 pairs are of autosomes. Sexes are easily distinguished. Female is bigger and red-eyed while male is smaller and white-eyed. Drosophila shows crisscross inheritance, that is white eye color is transmitted from male parent to the F1 female and from F1 female to male F2. White-eyed male is a mutant individual. From the above experiment, Morgan's proved linkage and crossing over, that is linked genes shows tightly linked genes shows less recombination and loosely linked genes shows more recombination. This experiment was proved the recombination and linkage in Drosophila.